What's the meaning of avionic? Avionic. Avionic.
Avionic. Avionic. Avionics refers to the electronic systems used in aircraft to control its functions and perform tasks such as navigation, communication, and monitoring. These systems play a critical role in maintaining the safety and efficiency of aircraft operations. Avionics technology has advanced significantly over the years, with modern aircraft relying heavily on sophisticated computer systems to assist pilots in controlling the airplane and gather data about its performance. As aviation continues to evolve, advancements in avionics will undoubtedly play a crucial role in shaping the future of air travel.